Hello, if you wonder if you can charge AirPods Pro 2nd generation without the charging case, then I've got bad news for you. There's no way to do this. But you can still try to use charging case of someone else, like of your friend, of someone from your family, and it will works. But you can also try to purchase the fake case, and I was actually trying this method. So here I have the fake one. I'm gonna show you. This is the fake one, and it was actually working with this one, but of course there's like 0% of the battery right now because I wasn't actually using them for a few months because I just purchased the new one. But yeah, it was actually working, but not always. You have to also keep this in mind that it's not working always, but it's actually definitely much cheaper than purchasing the new one. But yeah, that's actually like some quick information for you, and thanks for watching.